Hello there, welcome to ShineTech's YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to look at sets and intervals, where we are going to look at questions which involves set builder notations. So in this video I'm going to continue from where we stopped from. We looked at question 2a in the previous video, and we're going to continue from question 2b. Okay, so our question reads, find the indicated sets if A is equals to x such that x is greater or equal to -2, and B is equals to x such that x is less than 4, and C is equals to x such that -1 is less than x, and x is less or equal to 5. Okay, now we looked at question A. Now let's move on to question B. As I already explained in the previous video, to answer these questions correctly or easily, you first need to simplify these set builder notations into intervals. Okay, so to write A in terms of intervals, it is going to be our A will be equals to, okay, so x is greater or equal to -2, so our A will simply be a square bracket -2 comma positive infinity. Okay, so I already explained this, and then B, we have all elements which are less than 4, so it is going to be -infinity comma 4, just like that. Okay, then we are going to use a circle bracket. Why? Because 4 is not included. They are saying x is less than 4. It's not equal to 4, but it's less than 4, so 4 is not included in that set. Then we have C equals to, so our C includes all the numbers which are between -1 and 5, including 5, because x is equal or less than 5. Okay, so we are going to have an open bracket because -1 is not included in that set, comma 5, and we are going to use a closed interval, which is a square bracket. So after you have simplified your set builder notation, you can now go direct to your questions, and then in this case we are going to answer question B. So question B, which is B intersection C. So B intersection C is equal to, so we're going to replace our sets. Okay, we have B, so set B is this set which is here, so we're going to say set B, which is -infinity comma 4, and then intersection our C is this set here. Okay, so we're going to write it this side, -1, then comma 5, then we have used a square bracket this side. We used a square bracket. Why? Because 5 was included. So this will be equal to, so here we have intersection set. So our approach to this question will be different from the way we answered the previous question. Now in this case, look at the set which is a smaller set, which have few elements. When you look at this set, it involves numbers starting from 3 to -infinity, so this is a larger set. But when you look at this set here, it only involves numbers which are in between -1 and 5, so this one is small, so we are going to use this one, which is here. So when you look at these numbers, -infinity and -1, okay, so -1 is also in this set here. So intersection means the elements which are found in B and in C. Okay, so we are going to include -1. Why? Because it's also found in set B. So we're going to start from -1. Why? Because it's the smallest number which is found in B, in B and in C there. So we're going to have negative 1. It is included, so we are going to use this kind of a bracket. Okay, negative 1 is included in this set. No, it's not included here. Why? Because in this set it is not included. It's an open interval, so we're going to use an open interval this side. Negative 1, it is not included. It is an open interval there. Okay, then from there, after we have considered these numbers, we move on to the next numbers, which is 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5. So when you look at these numbers, here 5, we have 5 in set C, but 5 here is not there. Then when you look at 4, we do not have 4 here, and here it is there. But intersection means all the numbers which are found in both sets. Okay, so it will be, we're going to use 4 and we are going to use a circle bracket. Why? Because 4 is not included. Okay, why? Because 4 is not found in both sets. Okay, it is, we have 4 here, because this one involves numbers from negative 1 to 5. Okay, but here we do not have 4 in that set. Okay, it starts from 3 going to negative infinity, so 4 is not in both sets. That's why we have used this circle bracket. So our B intersection C will be an open interval, negative 1, 4, and then open interval this side. So it is going to involve numbers starting from 0 up to 3 only. So to write this as a set builder notation, we are going to write it in this way. We are going to say B intersection C, B intersection C is equals to x such that x, not even x, such that negative 1 is less than x and x is less than 4. Okay, x is less than 4, like this, less than 4, and then we close like this. Okay, so this will be B intersection C. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment in the comment section below.